Giant Denali, guys. Check this thing out. All wrapped up, done up. Big wheels, suspension, the whole 9 yards, guys. And it's on the Lambo doors. You see it? Outrageous wide tires, too. Look at this. I bet it's 120 decibels coming down the road. Holy crap. Looks like he's got the speakers in the bed and all, guys. This thing, crazy outrageous. Those doors set this thing off. But his wheels, they're pretty ridiculous too. Holy crap. A lot of big trucks out here today, guys. Check them out here. Another GMC. High dollar, oh, high rollers it says. Yeah, I guess so. Holy shit. Choo. Look at the suspension setup on this thing, guys. Nuts, isn't it? Absolutely. Giant red Ford F-250 out here. Look at this thing, guys. Just absolutely massive. We'll look at the front and then we'll go down the side of this thing. Holy crap, guys. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. Huge tires and wheels. Giant lift. Holy crap. Absolutely monstrous. Super cool, heavy duty it says. Yeah, a little bit. Freaking awesome.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.